Hey guys, this is Fundo on Antopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Zetulele stand when Sakile intervenes and save his life. Zetulele thinks that Sakile he will kill him, and Sakile tells Zetulele that it is not a day for him. While Zetulele is scared and feel uncomfortable in front of Sakile. While James Boyce does not believe Sakile nice guy act and gives Tulele contraband object to protect herself. Nairobi allows Maharaji the chance to talk and found herself drawn back into his spell. Shira catch them in an intimate moment, and it seems like Shira does not want to see Maharaji on the house. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.